find ways to make that dream a reality. Virgil shown the way.
Good morning! Today is my last day in Miami, my last whole day in Miami, and wait. It's gone.
Leave it.
Today is my last whole day in Miami, and it's 7 something a.m. We're gonna go downstairs, grab a coffee and do some work, because always in the morning there's so much to do. It's gonna be a very, very difficult day. It's the first thing that we woke up, we said today will not be an easy day. I'm gonna have you be part of it as well, because I think that's important, but I will obviously also try and have a day for me as well, so that I can process everything that's going on. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I will try my best to include you guys as well. First things first, let's go have coffee. I will try and include you in the this part of the day as much as possible. Have coffee, breakfast, do some work. I have a lot of actually things to show you as well from yesterday, what I got at Hermes, at LV. I even received yesterday the invitation from LV, which looks incredible. And I will show you the rest of the stuff. The rest are my purchases throughout the day. Then we're gonna get ready and we're gonna get ahead to the show. I think I can say granola was good. It was really good. And the coffee is delicious, still in process. Okay, I don't even know what I've vlogged so far, because it's been a lot of bad lighting this morning. That's the problem. We wake up very early in the mornings, which I love, but there is no sun in the morning in LA. Up until around 10 o'clock, there is no sun. So everything that we do in the mornings, it's gray, colorless, and moody. And when you're vlogging every day, it's not the most ideal. Let's just put it that way. Now, what I wanted to show you are some of the bits. I tried vlogging it this morning. Now, I don't know if we're gonna use it. In case we don't, I will show it now again. Yesterday from Vuitton team, I received a beautiful invitation, which I will keep and cherish forever. Now, I'm not one of those people that keeps every single show invite, just because I find it to be otherwise too much, but I do. Is someone entering the door? I hope not. I find it to be I don't know, but some special ones like this one, which is going to be Virgil's last show, I will keep forever. And it says 7-2, which is basically 7 for the 7 collections, and 2 because it's a spin-off. It's like a second part. And there's a paper plane, which was also on his first ever collection. The paper is insane. His invites are always very, very special. So this is to make a paper plane off, and the instructions how to make a paper plane. Now, one thing I wanted to say is that Virgil was an architect as well. He studied architecture. It was his master's degree, and I mean, you can say so much about it through his work. You can see it. So it just says, where the show is, for 4 p.m. departure by a boat to Miami Marine Bay Stadium. And there was supposed to be an after party right after, and now it's not a party. Now it's a friendly gathering, let's call it that way. What I really loved are the stickers. I love the stickers. These are incredible. There is the Miami book. You guys know that Louis Vuitton does different books from, I think there's everything. Madrid, Hong Kong, Los Angeles, Tokyo, London, Venice, Istanbul, Prague, a lot. And this is the Miami one, what to see and do and stuff like that. It's getting very hot in the room. Then I received the fragrance. This is a Louis Vuitton on the beach. I can't remember if I have this fragrance already open or not. And then over here is a little, I would say this is more maybe for men, ideal. It's a little, what you call this, a pouch, I guess. And toiletry bag as well with a yin yang. Pretty cool. So that is it. What I wanted to show you first from the invite. I'm not gonna carry this invitation with me to the marina because I think it's too big. It's not gonna fit in any of my Louis Vuitton bags. The Louis Vuitton bags that I have are these two. We have a capucine and we have a twist. Oopsie. Love them both because I love these kind of happy colors at the moment. I'm really into the greens. Very, very much so into the greens. I'm gonna try and hide it a little bit because It's very messy and I don't want it to be like that. I need to start getting ready for the show. Gonna need a lot of waterproof mascara. What else? Okay, let's see what we have here. I would have shown you this yesterday, but we're off to LA yesterday. What am I talking about? I was gonna show these to you tomorrow because I don't feel like today is like about this. But at the same time, I don't know what I'm gonna end up being able to vlog personally. I hope you guys will understand that. Something I got at Vuitton in the design district because I couldn't really get it anywhere else and I really wanted it. They especially ordered it from something called Aventura. I don't know what that is, but they were like, yes, we found one for you in Aventura. It's apparently a mall, and I was like, that doesn't mean anything to me, but how soon can it be here? It is a Visor. Probably not smart getting these things in the US because I'm sure they're cheaper in Europe, but they don't have it in Europe, so that is it. This is the Visor with a large monogram. I love it. I think it's very cool. It's like massive, it's very specific. Perhaps I'll wear it when I go to LA. It was gonna be like something that I wear today, but now I'm not sure that it's a bit too loud. That's what I got in LV store in the design district. I worked, like I was served by a lady called Astrid. She was really great. And I really had a great customer service at Louis Vuitton in Design District. Really, really great service. I have to say, they're amazing. Then went to Palm Angels. I think you saw that. They launched this Montclair collection. And even though I don't need absolutely anything, I really like these. I really like the whole set. It's from their Montclair Palm Angels collab. You can see that by this little thing over here. Not sure if you can see it, hopefully. It's such a beautiful fit, beautiful cotton, great quality. I think Palm Angels is pretty incredible. And I really cannot wait to travel back to Europe in this. Even though traveling back to Europe is going to be like, again, a PCR test mission, as we found out today. Let's see what else I want to show you. Someone's vacuuming outside. How annoying, but everybody has to do their job, so it's fine. They're doing their job. Now it feels like they're in my room. They're doing their job, I'm doing my job, it's fine, it's all good, I'm drinking my coffee. In here, I'm gonna show you something that I think many of you will absolutely loathe. Like, you will hate it, but I love it. So I told you, my Hermes experience was like, really... Honestly, they're so good in Paris. I think they are amazing in Paris. I don't know if it's because it's iconic, it's old, if in the States they're just a little bit done with people constantly asking for something, I don't know, but just felt like they didn't have much experience in the sales department. That's how it felt to me. But whatever, I'm happy that I got my item. In here, definitely not very Miami style, so I'm sure that that's also why these were available here. I searched high and low for these in Europe. Absolutely not possible to find them. Like, not even like, I even tried like to pull all of my best cards, was impossible. So it's a pair of clogs, my first pair of clogs ever, and I'm not a clog kind of girl, but I think that these are beautiful. And like I said, many of you will say like, wow, this is so ridiculous, like, you know, such expensive pair of clogs, you can get whatever you want for that amount of money, but I love these so much. I love the studding. There's one that has like a Kelly clasp as well here, or the H, but I just want it very neutral, and I cannot wait to wear these. I love them. I know it's not for everybody, but for me, guys, even with the silk pants, and they're so comfy, it's ridiculous, but even with these silk pants, I think they'd be so cool. I think they're amazing, amazing, and the wooden part looks so lush, beautiful. So that's what I got from Hermes. I will take them out immediately so I can pack them. I think they're wonderful, so that's that. That's basically what I got. I don't think I missed out. Oh no, I got a pair of Palm Angel sunglasses as well, but we didn't pick them up because I don't think I will pick them up. I think my boyfriend will pick them up, but that's okay. So that's that. I'm gonna go do my makeup now. I'm gonna take everything out of the boxes so I can pack it because we're leaving tomorrow and today's gonna be a very long day. And now I don't think you want to see the mess that we got over here because both of us have many suitcases. These are my suitcases that are messy, and these are his that are a bit more tidy. There's more clothes here. There's more stuff here, my bedside table. All I can say is that it's a lot of work and it's, yeah, that is it, you guys. Now I'm gonna finish my coffee, do my makeup in peace. I need to like ramp up this AC because it's really hot. But the problem is, I don't actually know how many like degrees is this. Set to 67, but room 77, it's really hot. Let me tell you that much. Okay guys, quickly gonna show you. I didn't decide to wear what I was initially, itchy nose. What I was initially gonna wear, I need to put my hair up as well, but I styled it. I was going to wear a black dress, like a really beautiful kind of one, like a symmetric dress with high heels, very dressy. That was initial plan. This was going to be my day look, but I wore these shorts already. I wore this top last night. I don't really think this is the time that it's about my outfit at all. I just wanted to wear something that I'm going to be comfortable in. You guys all know that this is going to be more of a tribute than a fashion show. So, you know, I just wanted to be comfortable. I'm wearing the flat LV boots and I got the same bag that I wore last night, as you can see. Personally, I think this look kind of is, you know, just comfortable. It gets a little bit cold later in Miami. That's why I got this thing on top, but otherwise it's a bit more of a safari look, I would say. This is it. This is the look. So I'm leaving now. The car is already downstairs. I'm not gonna bring my vlogging camera so that you guys know if there is any content after this. It would be just, you know, to kind of like share what an incredible man he was, and it's not for the purposes of just creating content, if you know what I mean. So we arrived very early. Wanted to see the space. And I just have to say, I don't understand how can there be a venue that just feels so much like a man that isn't here, but it really feels like Virgil. Everything, at least to me. It's very like mixed architecture with street graffiti, you know, a bit of everything. So this is the statue that I don't know if you remember yesterday I showed you in the design district, the artist who did the other six. And then there's Virgil above in, I don't know, this is really, really large. I would say like 15-meter. It seems like that. It's incredible. It's giving us chills. But look at the view of Miami from here. What a city. Over here, they're blowing the hot air balloon that you could see in Louis Vuitton video about the show. Virgil was here. And the statue's there.
Find ways to make that dream a reality. Virgil showing the way.
it's around midnight-ish. We got home after the fashion show and a bit of like after show gathering. It was not really like an after party, it was most celebration of Virgil's life. I think you would have seen by now some clips. We went for a dinner. I'm exhausted. I feel so emotionally exhausted. My eyes are hurting. I don't know if you can tell from my face, but I feel like I cried my eyes out. It was so beautiful. It was so emotional. Also, what was really emotional for me was seeing so many people who loved him, who were there for him. I meant like understanding, like finally in my brain, that the person that was here is not here anymore, and that everything was done in such a beautiful show called Virgil Was Here was just way too much for me to handle, for sure. So anyway, I wanted to say that this day is over. Got home. I'm just gonna remove my makeup, but I wanted to say goodnight before I do that. I actually will be getting up very, very early in the morning. I'm getting up around 6 to finish packing, to do like a quick little shot, and I'm heading to the airport. My flight is around 10 a.m. So I'm flying to LA tomorrow, then we will have a bit of a day in LA as well, which I will show you around. Besides landing on the first day of Vlogmas in LA, I haven't actually visited it in over 2 years. I can't remember what was the last time that I was in LA. But let's try put the lights on. Lights. I really love these shorts from LV. I wanted to say that to you. Wearing them with a crop top that I also wore last night. You could have seen that before I left, but I had like a little overcoat. So the shorts, they're very like safari-ish, and the boots, they're the Metropolis, I believe they're called. I really, really like them. I think they're super cool as well, classics. So that is it. Trip to Miami is not what it was supposed to be. It was supposed to be what I imagined, like this beautiful, filled with fun, evenings with friends, seeing Virgil, like, you know, sharing a meal with him finally. It's something that I didn't really discuss, but we exchanged a few messages recently, and he was saying, yes, like soon we're gonna like share meals together and have a good time together. And seeing my boyfriend so devastated as well is really having a toll on me as well. So yeah, I kind of am longing, like just want to be with my family again. And even though I really miss the States, I feel like I need to come back maybe another time when it's not in this capacity. So that is it. I'm gonna finish packing now, and then finish packing in the morning as well, because I'll have to put my beauty bags in. But thank you for tuning in this day as well. Sorry that the first 5 days of Vlogmas were just like crazy, but I will see you very, very soon. Tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon by the time that you see it. But I will be filming it already tomorrow morning.